Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever wanted to sneak in a quick Clash Royale match during a break at school, but you're stuck with your Chromebook? It's a common dilemma, as school networks and devices often come with some pretty tight restrictions. But don't worry, we're going to explore some potential pathways that might let you enjoy your favorite mobile game, even on that school-issued device. Let's dive in and see what's possible for 2025. Before we jump into solutions, it's important to understand why this is often a challenge. Your school Chromebook is typically managed by the IT department, meaning they control what apps you can install and what websites you can visit. This often includes blocking the Google Play Store itself, making direct downloads impossible. Additionally, school network filters can block access to game servers, even if you manage to get the app running. So that's another hurdle we'll need to consider. Your very first step should always be the simplest one. Check if the Google Play Store is actually enabled on your Chromebook. Believe it or not, some schools have less restrictive policies, or might enable it for certain purposes, which could mean direct access for you. If you can open the Play Store, simply search for Clash Royale and try to install it. This is by far the easiest method if it works for your device. Now, if the Play Store is a no-go, don't despair. We have another potential avenue to explore. As we head into 2025, there are more and more browser-based services emerging that let you stream Android applications directly within your web browser. Think of them as cloud gaming, but specifically for mobile apps. You'll need to research which services are reputable and offer Clash Royale or similar mobile game streaming. As this technology is always evolving, it might just be your best bet if direct installation isn't an option. Before you try any of these methods, it's incredibly important to remember one thing. Always be mindful of your school's acceptable use policy. Attempting to bypass restrictions could lead to serious consequences, like losing your Chromebook privileges or facing disciplinary action. Your education should always come first, and gaming should be a fun, occasional break. So, play responsibly, understand the rules, and make sure you're using your device wisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.